Hi everyone. Isn't that a troublesome situation while searching a specific file in a massive database? In today's time, every company manages enormous amount of data, and locating a specific file can often feel like finding a needle in a haystack. And task becomes more critical when file name is different. Here is a solution. Innovativa Softtech Solutions presents its advanced search engine tool along with text-based search feature. It doesn't rely on file name and it will read the content inside the file and locate the file what you are looking exactly. Moreover, it will arrange the file in proper sequence based on the file extension without skipping any single file. You can easily copy and move the data wherever you want. You can see the destination of a file. You can export the data. So these are the advantage of file search engine tool by Innovativa Softtech Solutions Private Limited. Make your work easier, save your valuable time and eliminate the hassles of searching through endless files. Let's move from troublesome to time saving with Innovativa's smart search engine tool. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow us on our Facebook and Instagram page. And surely like and share for effortless file management. And find a link for complete demonstration of search engine tool.